happy birthday. You are looking very young. Yes.
Eh, sabi nga nung kanta, forever young.
Yes.
Ginawa niyo akong vampira eh.
I wanna thank you for sa lahat ng sakripisyo, sa lahat ng pagmamahal, and for giving time and for being so intentional with our family life. We love you so much, and we thank God for you and your life, and always be healthy, and God bless you.
Thank you.
I love you.
Tali. Gano'n naman, Tali.
Kinikilig si Tali habang nagme-message si Pauline.
Happy birthday, Dad. I love you and thank you for all the sacrifices that you've given us. And thank you for making our life comfortable. Happy birthday. Love you.
Thank you.
Alam mo, totoo yung sacrifice dahil makasama niyo si Alan kay sacrifice talaga.
Ako naman nakatabi lang.
Oh, si Mochi, baka
Mochi!
Daddy.
Happy birthday.
Nag-practice to kanina, may
Napagod.
message eh.
Ayaw na. Happy birthday.
Oh, shush! Wala. Mamaya ulit.
Parang may sinasabi na siya kanina eh.
Oo nga. Sabi niya, happy birthday, Dada.
Ay.
Ay, shush!